Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the little things that can make a big difference in your daily routine. Today, let's talk about a product that's a bit outside the typical beauty realm, but just as crucial when it comes to maintaining a healthy, radiant smile. We're reviewing the GUM Sonic Powered Toothbrush with Tapered Bristles. This toothbrush promises a deeper clean with 12,000 sonic vibrations, helping you reach areas that manual brushing simply can't. If you're someone who's looking to elevate your oral care game, keep watching to see if this tool lives up to the hype. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more honest reviews like this one. The GUM Sonic Powered Toothbrush is designed with a focus on cleaning below the gum line, thanks to its bi-level tapered bristles. It promises 50% more plaque removal and a deeper clean compared to your standard manual toothbrush, helping reach between your teeth and the areas that often get overlooked. The Sonic Power provides 12,000 vibrations, which in theory should help you achieve a more thorough clean with less effort. The toothbrush is powered by a single AAA battery, which is included in the package. This is a great feature for those who don't want to hassle with recharging, making it an ideal choice for people who travel frequently. Plus, it comes with 3 different color rings, allowing you to personalize your brush and keep it in your family or household without confusion. The bundle also includes 2 replacement heads, so you're all set for the next 3 months. It's compact and portable, with a travel cap that makes it perfect for packing in your toiletry bag or suitcase. I've been using this brush for a few weeks now, and I'll say this, it really lives up to its claims. The vibrations are powerful but not too intense, providing a clean feel without causing any irritation to my gums. The bristles are soft, yet firm enough to really reach below the gum line. As someone who's always looking for ways to improve my oral hygiene, this toothbrush made it easy to incorporate a more thorough cleaning routine without much additional effort. However, there are a couple of things to note. First, while the brush does an excellent job cleaning, it doesn't quite have the same luxury feel as some higher-end electric toothbrushes. The vibrations are effective, but the brush doesn't have the multiple settings or extra features that you might find in pricier models. Also, while the AAA battery is convenient, if you're used to a rechargeable model, it may seem a bit old-fashioned. Pros: 12,000 sonic vibrations for effective plaque removal, tapered bristles reach deeper below the gum line, portable and travel-friendly with a cap included, affordable and easy to use, especially for those who don't want to deal with recharging, comes with 2 replacement heads, so you're set for 3 months of use. Cons: no additional settings or customization options like more expensive electric toothbrushes. Battery powered, so you'll need to replace the battery when it runs out. May not feel as luxurious as some higher-end models. When it comes to value for money, this toothbrush offers a great balance of price and performance. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of more expensive models, it's definitely a step up from a manual brush. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers a deep clean, this is worth considering. Compared to other similar battery-powered toothbrushes, the GUM Sonic Powered Toothbrush holds its own in terms of performance. Some electric toothbrushes with more features may offer a deeper clean or additional settings, but they come with a higher price tag. If you're looking for something simple and effective, this is a solid option. The build quality is decent, the handle feels sturdy, and the bristles are soft yet efficient. The travel cap is a nice touch for people on the go, but overall, this is a very straightforward toothbrush. As for longevity, the battery is expected to last for quite some time, and the brush heads are easy to replace when needed. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer service, I haven't had to deal with any issues so far, but I know that GUM is a reputable brand in the oral care space. They're known for delivering quality products at accessible prices. If you're looking for alternatives, there are certainly other budget-friendly sonic toothbrushes out there, but many of them are also battery-powered, and lack the extra features that pricier models offer. If you're after a rechargeable model with multiple settings, you might want to look at more premium options. However, for a toothbrush that gets the job done without the extra expense, this is a solid choice. To wrap things up, the GUM Sonic Powered Toothbrush is an affordable, portable option that's great for those who want a more effective clean than a manual toothbrush offers, without the need to deal with recharging. It's simple, reliable, and perfect for people who want a no-fuss way to improve their oral hygiene. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.